Has anyone ever told you, don't worry, everyone snores? Snoring may be common, but that doesn't mean it should automatically be considered normal or harmless. Snoring happens when airflow causes tissues in the upper airway to vibrate during sleep. It may be associated with mouth breathing, nasal congestion, tongue posture, airway resistance, or sleep-disordered breathing. Snoring alone does not prove that you have sleep apnea. But when it happens regularly, it is a clue worth paying attention to, especially when paired with dry mouth, morning headaches, teeth clenching, restless sleep, or daytime fatigue. I'm Lauren, the Myo Coach. I help midlife women explore the connections between breathing, oral function, airway health, and restorative sleep. If you or your partner regularly snores, don't just turn up the volume on the sound machine. Take the Myo Coach quiz at themyocoach.com and start connecting the dots. Breathe better, sleep better, feel better. Start your journey today at themyocoach.com.